Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Today I'm coming at you with a unboxing video of a new watch that I received from Amazon. I'm not sure what's in the package, so stay tuned to see what's in the package. If you guys like these videos and you want to keep seeing them coming, give me that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Help this channel grow. When I do open this package, what I'm going to do is I am going to actually post a link, an affiliate link to this actual watch in the description below if you want to buy it. So if you like this watch, stay tuned to the end and then click on the link that I provide in the description so you guys can pick one of these guys up yourself. So without further ado, me and my buddy Shrody, we're going to open up this package and we're going to show you what's inside. Buddy, you can't take up the whole camera. You can't take up the whole camera. You got to move. I know you hate it, but you gotta go. Say bye. I know. Life's horrible. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna open this thing up, and we are going to show you what is inside. Alright, it looks like we have an OLEVS watch. Imagine that. You guys know how much I love my OLEVS watches. So, we're going to get inside here and show you what's inside. Okay, it's the silver and black. Alright, once again, comes with the instruction booklet. Comes with the resizing tool, so you don't need to pay a jeweler to have your bracelet resized. And of course the watch itself. So what I'm going to do is I am going to speed through the process of me actually taking all the plastic off of the watch. You can see that these OLEVS watches come completely covered in plastic, so they don't mess around. They make sure these things come to you safe. Plastic on the crystal, plastic on the back, plastic on the bracelet. Everything is covered so these things don't get damaged during shipment. So I'm going to speed through the process of actually removing all of this plastic, and then we can get into the review. Okay guys, and we are back, and we're going to go over this watch. Once again, guys, I really love my OLEVS watch. Quartz movement. Very, very nicely made watch. Let's get the date set on this thing correctly. We got the time being 1:57. A little bit of a jump back there, but not too bad. Okay, there we go. We got the correct date and the correct time set. Okay, guys. Once again, another beautiful watch by OLEVS. This comes from the same collection. It's got the Jubilee bracelet, the silver and the gold Jubilee bracelet. It's got the gold crown on the silver crown. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. See that? It's got the actual crown logo on the silver crown. Very, very nice watch. Good quality, heavy-duty watch. It's got the butterfly clasp on these watches, which basically makes it almost a seamless connection on the wrist. Water-resistant, stainless steel, beautiful watch. This is part of the same collection where they have the black. This is the collection with the black on black. Black on silver, and it also has the where's the other one? The gold right here. It's got the gold. So all of these are they're the same collection, but notice how the crystal has that shiny pyramiding effect on it. All of these watches do that, and I love them. I do have another one of these coming in, and it's going to be this watch here with the blue dial. So it's going to have the blue dial with that pyramiding crystal effect. But all of these watches are very, very nice watches. I have received quite a few compliments on this watch when I wear it out. They're very dressy, nice quality watches. They look beautiful. They look beautiful up close. They look beautiful far away. They're just very, very nice watches. And for the price, you can't beat it. Right now on Amazon, this watch is going for about $38. I think there's even a coupon on Amazon, but I will post an affiliate link below so you guys can head on over and pick one of these up, and then you can let me know how you like it when you get it. But yeah, definitely head on over to Amazon, check it out. You can't go wrong with Amazon. Fast shipping, free returns. You check it out, you get it. If you decide you don't like it, you can always send it back. It's a great watch though. I definitely love wearing these OLEVS watches. I'm not a jeweler. I'm not going to pop the back off of any of these things and show you what the insides are like. I'm sure they have a quartz movement in them, but hey, this is Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman. I don't believe in spending, $10,000 to $15,000 on a watch. I don't believe in spending $5,000 on a watch. I mean, you can get beautiful watches. Most people don't know the difference between an expensive watch and a cheap watch, and you can get something that looks nice without breaking the bank. And that's what I'm all about. I review budget-friendly watches for every guy. I'm just a guy who likes my watches. I like to buy them, I like to wear them, and I like to review them. And that's what I do here on my channel, Dave the Watchman. So if you like these videos and you like these reviews and you like these videos and you want this content to keep coming, help keep this channel alive by giving me the thumbs up, subscribe, leave your comments below. Let's get this channel growing. Again, I'm Dave the Watchman, and I am out of here. You guys have a great day.